So it's time for an inside job, and we're going to put up some new cupboards to go up here in the laundry. These come from Bunnings, they're a Kaboodle cupboard. So let's see how easy they go together. Here's the cabinets, and this is where they're going. It's all nice and solid up there. It's sitting into a metal frame, that's why I'm fiddling around a little bit more. But so far so good. So let's keep going, see if we can get it all done. Getting there. We are getting there. Let's take off that supporting wood, and we'll make sure the cupboards are nice and secure in place. Hopefully they don't come tumbling down. I'm pretty confident they won't, but you never know, but I'm pretty sure they won't. One more to go. We're ready. Is it going to stay up there? Woohoo! She's up. She's up. It's definitely up there. As we're all finished, put a couple little shelves in here, just put some little plants on or something like that. It's come up really well. I'm happy with the cupboards. Really happy with it. The Kaboodle system from Bunnings, it's come together pretty well. There are a couple of things that need replacing. There's a door up here with damage on it. I'll put a photo up here. There's also a little bit of damage on this end one as well, down the bottom. So went back to Bunnings yesterday and they said they'd replace that for us, which is a good thing. But all in all, what do you think? I think it's come up pretty well. Would I recommend Kaboodle cabinets? Yes, I would. I think you get what you pay for, but I think the price is fair. Took about a day to put up. I'm not a cabinet maker. I don't put cabinets together for a living, but all in all, it's come up really well. If you like what I've done here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps, goes a long way. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.